Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm reviewing this spelling and games cards. These are write and wipe cards from Floppy Phonics. This is from Oxford University Press. This is from the series of Biff, Chip and Kipper. So we'll see what kind of games they have here. They have spelling snap game. It says aim to win as many word pairs as possible. Okay, so they have to find word pairs, and then there's this memory game to pick up matching pairs of words. Again, they have to find pairs. Okay, I think that they must have pairs in these cards. So these are a lot of cards with a picture, so children have to see the picture. I think this is a shield, so they have to spell it, and then the answer is also here. Yes, this is a shield. Now this is a blue blob of color. The answer is blue. So they have to write here. They can write and wipe, so these can be reused as many times as you want. Now it's up to the educator how they would like to use it. This is something children can use independently as well, but as a teacher I would say that I would emphasize on the writing and the letter formations and everything while they're doing this, because these are basic words, just a single word, so they can focus on the writing as well. So we have quite a few things here: a moon, earth, worm, bird. These are leaves or herbs. This is a church, toe, bone. So we have a lot of these. This is one pile here, and I have another pile here. So these are a lot of cards. Then we have 10 special cards where they have given us the graphemes and phonemes, and here are all the grapheme and phonemes that they have given. So these are basically the consonant blends that make same sounds. Okay, but because of grammar rules we have to change them accordingly. So let's see a few. So this one has oi and oi. The one with oi is supposed to be used at the beginning or in the middle of the words. For example, oi as in oil, so it's at the beginning, or it coin or point, so it's coming in the middle, right? But when you hear oi sound at the end of any word, for example in toy, boy, it has to be replaced with a y. Okay, so I would not come at the end. It will not never come at the end. Letter y will be replaced with I when it's at the end. Okay, so oi as in oil is supposed to be used at the beginning or in the middle, and letter y is supposed to be used at the end. Now let's see the b, oi. Which oi will we use here? There is no other letter after this, right? So this is the last sound in this word, so we have to use oi as in boy. Made a noise, ois. Okay, so now we know it's coming in the middle. This is the one we will use. The boy made a noise with the oins. Now which oi will be used here? Is it coming in the middle or at the end? It's in the middle, so we will use oi, right? Now oi, this is a name. Again, it's coming at the end, so we have to use this oi. Okay, when it comes to names, sometimes the grammar rules don't apply because the names are not in English language, they're in any other language. So the rule of the grammar rule, English grammar rule, will not apply on names mostly, but these are English names, so it does apply here. Oi, roy, p, oi, nt, it pointed at the t, ois. So now this here you see toys, we are still going to use oy because the word toy itself is ending at oi, right? S is something we add because it's a plural, so that won't count. We will just see the word, and the word is oi, toy, and oi remains the last sound in the word, so this will be oy, right? So you can teach the child like this. It is giving some examples over here: oi as in join, oi as in toy. Similarly, we have different words here. They all have their own grammar rules. Now we have some long vowel sounds here. I think this is O. like long vowel O. So these are all the ways you can write O. The one with magic E has a dash in between, which means a letter has to come in here, right? For example, the word cone, K-O-N. So N is the last sound, but O will have letter E at the end, which will make O sound here. Okay, otherwise if there is no letter E at the end, it is going to make the short O sound. If we want it to make the long sound, we need letter E at the end. That's the magic E that hops one step back and help the letter make long vowel sound. That's how you will teach the child. So we have different sounds here, different sounds here, and these are all double-sided. So if they give us sounds on one side, they will give us an activity, like they say circle the letter groups that make the sound OR. Now if you are teaching in American accent, then this is OR as in fork, and if you are teaching in British accent, then this is only O, okay, because they don't pronounce R. So this will be O as in folk, okay. So now we have all these here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but yeah, just a couple. Maybe like you see letter Y makes E sound at the end. Letter Y is a long vowel sound, by the way. We know of 5 letters, A, E, I, O, U. Letter Y is the 6th vowel letter, which makes long vowel sounds in most places. It makes I sound when it's the only vowel in the word. For example, in my, try, by, etc. If it's the only vowel, then it makes I sound. And when there is another vowel, for example here you see letter U here, so this is going to make E sound. F-A-N-E, funny. Okay, sometimes it combines with another letter, another vowel letter, to produce a sound. For example, here it's making E sound with EY, and like it makes A sound with AY, etc. Okay, so we have 10 of these cards, double-sided. You can teach a lot of grammar rules and phonemes and graphemes and everything with these, and the basic spellings with these. I hope you found the video informative, and I hope it helped. Let me know if you would like to know more about grammar rules and more about sounds. Since I am only reviewing the products, I think the videos will be too long if I go into details of each one of these and the grammar rules and where which one is used and why it is used, etc. But if there is any confusion with any particular sound, for example, I just explained the letter Y makes E and I sounds both, but it has a rule. If there's another vowel, it will make a different sound. If it does not have another vowel in the word, it will make a different sound. So children are sometimes confused in these, and a lot of times parents and teachers as well, if they're not trained in phonics, they don't know how to explain it, which makes it unclear to the children, and they're always confused with the spellings. So if there's anything that you want to ask, please comment in the comment section, and I would try to make more videos according to your suggestions. Okay, thank you so much. Please give a thumbs up if you found this informative, and if you like it, and if you would like to see more of this kind of content, please let me know. Take care. Bye bye.